Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It is the 11th of October, 2019. We are busting 2 personal boxes of clearly authentic baseball for Shawn M.O.R. from the great state of New York. Oh, 2 of these will fit. 2 of these will fit in a graded, I think, bag. Yeah, especially when you're looking for an exclusive, Scott, over in YouTube. Definitely don't want to replace that. Woo! I like it. Blast from the past, Georgie. Just like yourself.
Yep.
Jose Canseco auto. Look at that. 1984 Topps Tribute. Insert. 35th anniversary. Look at Jose. That hair, man. Jose Canseco, your first one. Next up. Oh boy. You gotta be kidding me. You're gonna get a personal box. You're gonna get 2 personal boxes. Oh man. This is silly. How about a T206 orange? 2 of 5.
Woo!
Aaron Judge.
Oh my gosh.
Boom!
Holy cow.
2 of 5 Judge. What a hit.
Whoa.
Holy guacamole.
Whoa.
Canseco and Judge. That's insane.
Ranked, it takes time.
Woo! That's crazy. Aaron Judge.
Oh my gosh.
Congrats, Shawn.
Holy cow.
That's insane. Man, congratulations. Up next is Impeccable Football in about 3 minutes, guys. We'll be right back.